Hi all, hope all of you are doing good. Today let us see how you can add a navigation menu to your Shopify store. This is the Dawn theme, which is the free theme from the Shopify theme store. And here you can see that there is this bags, shoes, lookbook. These are the navigation menus. So if you click on this drop down, you can see the different options and where you can go to the different categories of bags that they have shown here. So if you click on shoulder bags, it will go to that. If you click on shop all, it is going to take you to the collection where we can see all the bags. In shoes also we have these categories. Then if you click on lookbook, you can see some lookbook page that is linked over here. We will see how these are done. To do this, go to your Shopify admin panel. After installing the theme that you want, in this example I am using Dawn theme itself. When you click on sales channel, you can see this online store over here, which will come from this search drop down. Click on online store. So below this online store heading, you can see there is themes, blog post, pages, navigation and preferences. Click on navigation and here you can see the two menus called footer menu and main menu. These two menus will be there by default when you set up the store. Inside footer menu you can see that there is one menu item called search, and in main menu you can see that there are two menu items called home and catalog. Now to add a new menu, you can click on add menu here and then write the title for the menu and click on save. Now let us first see how we can edit the existing menus that we have. So if you see here, this main menu is the one that is showing over here, okay, in home and catalog. These are the menu items that is showing over here. Now to add new menu items, what you can do is you can click on this main menu over here and here you can add more menu items. So for that you have to click on add menu item button here and give the name. So let me give bags, and here you have to link to which collection this menu item has to go. For example, here as I showed you, when someone clicks on this tote bags, it has to go to a particular collection that will list all the products in that particular collection. So that is the one that you have to do here. So here when we go back to the navigation menu, here when you click on this link item, you can see that we have various options over here called home page, search, collections, products, pages, etc. So to link it to a particular collection, you have to choose this collections item in the drop down. Choose that, and when you choose that, you will see all the collections that are available in your Shopify store. Now you can choose which collection it has to link to and click on add. Now that menu item is added. After clicking the save menu item over here, let us see whether our menu have come on the store. Now you can see that the bags menu has come over here, and when I click on bags, it will go to the collection bag with the products in that collection. Now let us see adding one more menu item. So I am going to click on add menu item button over here, and then we have to give the name. Let me give jewelry and link it to the collection called jewelry, and click on add button over here, and don't forget to click on the save menu button here. Now let us come and see, refresh and see the page. Now once we refresh the page, you can see that the jewelry menu have come over here, and when we click on that menu, it will take you to the products that are in the jewelry collection. Now let us see what the footer menu is having and how to edit that. First, let's see where this footer menu, the search menu item is showing. Let me show you that first. So here at the footer of the web page, you can see that this quick links and this search menu, this is the one that's coming over there. Now for editing that, click on footer menu, and then you can click on add menu item button over here. Here let us add the privacy policy, terms and conditions, shipping policy, etc. So let me add the terms and conditions. Give the name for the menu, and here when you click on link, here you can choose the pages or the policies. So if you click on policies, you can see that all the policies that are there added on the legal policies in the settings will be shown over there, or you can create a separate page having your policies and then link those pages also over here. So let me just go to the policies over here and then link it like this, and let's click on save. Now let's add other policies as well. Privacy policy, Let's also add the refund policy. And click on add, and then don't forget to click the save menu over here. Once that is saved, let's come to the store front and then refresh the page to see the policy menus that are added over here. If you click on terms and conditions, it will take you to the page where there is all the terms and conditions added. And if you go to the privacy policy will come over here. If you click on the refund policy will come over here. So let me just also show you where you can edit these and from where these legal pages are coming. So if you go to settings, you can see at the bottom there is a tab called policies. If you click over that policies, you can see a thing called return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service. This is from where that data is getting loaded over there. So if you have to do any editing to these policies based on your terms and conditions and your shipping policy or your refund policy, you can come here and edit these things. This is just like any word editor that you can use. You can edit these or you can replace with a template if you have a template. Now let us see how you can add these drop downs like this, where it is showing shoulder bag, cross bag, extra, and in shows we can show sandals, boots, etc. How to create that we will check now. So go to the main menu itself, and here you can click on add menu item, and then let us give sling bags, and then you have to choose which collection it has to link to. So let me choose sling bags and click on add. And let's click on save menu item, and now you have to drag and drop this into the category that you want to add it to. So you can see these 6 like dots over here, and you can just click on that and you can move around these things. So if it has to come under bags, then you have to bring it over this position and drop it over there. Now you can click another menu item to the bags, under the bags, and let me give it as handbags. And let's choose the collection. Click on save and you can save the item. Here for example in jewelry, let us say all jewelry, and let us also say earrings. So here we will give all and link to the jewelry. And we want this all jewelry to come under jewelry, so we choose that menu item and drag and drop and put it under the jewelry. And next we need to add earrings. Now let us choose the collection called earrings from here and click on add, and let's save it. Now let's come to our store and see how that's coming. Now you see an arrow has come over here which indicates that there is a drop down over here. If you click that, you can see the 2 drop down menus that we added. In jewelry also, if you click, you can see that, and if you click on earrings, you can see the earrings products that we have added in the collection called earrings. So this is how you can add these drop downs on your Shopify store in your navigation. Hope these videos will help you to create the navigation menu for your store. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and give us a like if you like the video. Thanks for watching.